right in the middle.
Want no hands with it.
Guys, let us know, is this dangerous or no?
100%.
This is bear shit. Dr. Fix. Right there. That freaking hard.
Pretty slippery. Pretty slippery.
But these clamps keep breaking. Oh, this is definitely bear shit, Matt.
Where? Right there?
Oh shit, Chance almost left us.
Chance almost left us.
Alright, getting up here is gonna be a motherfucker.
I feel like getting up is easier.
Really? Nah, hell no, look at this.
Nah, it's easier.
No way.
Cause down you can slip easily. Up in.
Nah, up you slip easier.
Not gonna lie, I'm just gonna use the umbrella as a.
Oh shit. Motherfucker. Oh, that's smart. Well, we got a long way to go.
Step by step. Left, right, left, right. Damn, boy. Oh, keep walking on.
I almost lost myself. Oh, hell nah.
What?
That's where the trip ends, bro.
What do you mean? There's a trail.
Is that a trip?
Yep.
Alright. It's a little better over here. We gotta remember the way we came, though.
Sure.
Just a shot right here. Oh, you're breaking my sticks on finna do.
This is actually insane how we're doing this. Oh, God.
So my girlfriend is gonna kill me.
If you don't die already.
Yeah, no, this gotta be the shot. Alright, see this vlog?
Kyle?
You see the vlog with your camera?
It's in my backpack.
Up here! Ah, I got you.
Shut up, man.
Yo, let you hold the umbrella. Oh, yeah. Wait. Gotta whip out this thing.
Sling that bitch.
You gotta get the fucking shot, man. This is the money shot.
Behind the scenes.
Twilight. Look at that. I got your mom's Costco card.
Bro. Hey. Alright. Currently going to the Dollar Tree right now. Trying to pick up a tarp. See what we can pick up.
Crazy, bro.
Wait, Gio, tell them what we're looking for right now.
Looking for the rubber section.
I'm just kidding. What we need that for, bro? It's only 3 guys?
Hey, there's a table mats.
Oh, I got some table or picnic covers.
Okay.
I don't think I got no tarps here, bro. Should we get some decorations for our crib?
Fuck no. That shit's gonna be destroyed by tomorrow.
It's all just food, bro.
I know.
Right here. Never mind. No. Got hella munchies here.
I know. Straight food. Bro, they gotta have a tarp.
It's the ultimate zombie apocalypse place. Food
First
for
place
days. It's food for days, yo. I think it's on the other side. It's just food over here. Oh.
I'm back with it.
Currently setting up. Low.
What? Bro, that's not even that big. No, maybe we can scoot the tent closer. Flip it this way. Flip it this way. Go get me some rope, Bash. Do you have the rope? I'm finna tie the rope right here on this car. Guys, you guys don't even fucking know what we're doing right now. Oh shit.
Alright, we'll show them the end result. Currently trying to make a little fort. Because it's raining. We have nowhere to cook.
Did you cut it? Where's your string? What is it? That's W. Yeah, go on. Hey, you gotta vlog this whole trap. Bro, yeah, what you?
I am.
Dude, this is.
I gotta sit right here. For the chair.
I'm actually getting
Door
hypothermia.
doesn't
My
open.
fingers are fucking shaking. How are your fingers, Chance? This is my fingers that are cold. I'm chilling. This beanie's keeping me warm. Bro, I don't even have a hoodie on.
Yeah, why don't you have a hoodie on, bro?
Because I don't want to wet any more of my clothes. I thought I was about to chill on the tarp. It's gonna be working.
But your jacket's already wet, though.
I don't know where I put my jacket.
It's right there.
Alright, you chilling? Yeah, I cut it already. Alright. So our last attempt.
Alright guys, we're about to do a tour of like our camping area and the thing we set up. So yeah. So right here, little driveway. We enter. Then boom, the car. We come over here. Got a little fire pit right here, but it's raining, so no fire. Walk over here. See the tent a little bit. We got a little contraption, hold up a little tarp, the umbrella. Come in here.
Fucking crazy.
Boom. Want to start cooking in here, man. This is our little tent right here. This is our tent right here. Not gonna go in there till nighttime.
Hey, right here the stove, bro. No, right here. Fuck. Dude, I'm freezing. Oh shit. Hold on.
I think this one, like in the, over there, and then that.
Yeah,
like
this
switch
one's
it.
too big. Switch this. I think that's.
Alright, we got cooked up dinner. On
Shot's
quinoa.
hot.
And some chicken adobo.
We got it here.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, bad. Shit,
Got the s'mores going? Sir.
You hella close to the fire.
We in the tent now. It's a setup.
Chilling.
Got a sleeping bag. Little blanket. Pillow. Hey, what time is it right now? What time is it? Time is it?
8:39.
8:39.
And we hitting the hay.
8:39.
Gonna be up
Time
at
to go.
6.
Time to go night night. Hopefully get some good sleep.
Time to
And
cuddle.
we see y'all in the morning.
Time to cuddle.
Yeah. All
Alright,
right.
get in my sleeping bag.
All right, guys. Currently the next morning, like 7:50. Been awake for like 30 minutes now, probably. But it's raining outside. And what's the plan right now, guys?
Tell them about last night's sleep.
Dude, last night's sleep was like an adventure, bro.
But me and Chance woke up at least like 3 times and started talking to each other.
3 times?
Yes, at least, bro.
Bro, that's-
What are you doing?
And then you asked me what I was doing.
every time I woke up, I looked over to you guys, you guys just slumped. Yeah.
Bro, Chance was snoring like crazy.
I
Did
know,
you
I
hear
heard-
that?
I heard him,
He
yeah.
was snoring like a motherfucker.
I heard him like early on. But I had like 4 dreams last night. Dude. Shit's crazy.
It's cold as hell.
Low-key though, it's pretty comfortable. I had a good sleep. Not even
For
gonna lie.
real?
I had a good sleep, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I guess for the amount of
was
time.
cool, bro.
For the amount of time I was sleeping.
Yeah.
And then you woke up to go piss like 3 times.
You asked me 3 times.
No,
bro.
twice.
Oh my.
Well, the first time when you were standing over me, I got hella scared.
Yeah, Chance woke up and was like, what the fuck?
You just see a black silhouette standing over me.
Oh,
I thought I was gonna get murdered.
oh, that's
Yeah,
a
well, I just
black
got to
mirror,
go piss.
dude.
So,
Yeah, but what's the plan for today? I don't even know.
Okay, we gotta dip out of here probably like in the next couple
30
hours.
Hours?
Yeah,
We had a 4-hour drive.
yeah, 4-hour drive to the next camping spot.
we got hot springs and a waterfall.
Hell yeah, man. That's gonna be in the next video. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video, day 1. Oregon camping. We out.